Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and great. Welcome to another YouTube video. This video is slightly special unlike the previous ones because in this video I am going to be reviewing and introducing a brand called Freyara Cosmetics to you, and it is the first makeup brand that has approached me for PR, so that is something I really felt is special and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I am going to take you guys through 5 products that I received from Freyara. We'll be doing a makeup tutorial which turned out to be this nice look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So they are a brand that mainly focuses on makeup brushes. They have a few sets of eyeshadow palettes, eyeliners, mascara, lip glazes. Are a new brand. They are 100% cruelty free and vegan brand. I believe they're based in Hong Kong. So I'll add all the details about the brand in the description box below with my affiliate code Nazla10. So this sent me 5 products in PR. The first is their exclusive brush set. This comes with a brush holder. It is also magnetic, so when we open, it's like a 15-piece brush set. This is a complete brush set that will be required for both the eye looks as well as the face looks. It's a very sleek and nice packaging, and even the bristles are super soft and they don't come out too, so they're very good quality as well. This brush set, I assume on their website it's linked for around $45 US, so it's a very cute box as well. So then the next product that they sent me is their felt tip liners. As you watched my previous tutorial, then you know how much it is difficult for me to do a wing liner, but felt tips are the liners that makes it easy for me. On this packaging there is nothing written, it's just a black packaging, so it comes out like this. So I'll just draw a line with this felt tip liner. It's like really dark and black. The next thing that they sent me in PR is this mascara. So I really love the packaging of this mascara. I believe this costs around $5. It's a very elegant and sturdy packaging. That's something that I liked about it. I haven't used it, so my first impressions will be in this video as well. Then they sent me 2 lip products. One is a lip gloss. It's the Freyara Shining in the shade Cameo, and this is a matte lipstick, the Freyara Matte in Mexican Red. I believe they don't have any face products as of yet, so I'll just do my face with this Essence tinted moisturizer using the brushes. So we'll see how the brushes work. So I'll just add a few drops of my essential oil. So I'll take this foundation brush and slowly buff it into the skin and see how it goes. So as you can see, everything that was on my face beautifully blended out. There is no stripes or lines. It's usually on our face when we use a brush, and there is very less product left on the brush as well. Next we will draw a liner. I'll attempt to draw a wing. Let's see how this goes. So the tip is very fine, as you can see. So you have to have that kind of precision in order to draw like a straight line, or else it might get thicker like this. So if you hold it a bit tight and attempt to draw a straight line, it will come straight, or else since it's very thin bristle, it might come thick. So that is something that while applying any felt tip liner you have to be careful. This felt tip liner is a very normal felt tip liner, nothing extraordinary about it, and no negatives as well. Next we will try out the mascara. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the difference between this eye and this eye. To be very honest, this mascara is really lengthening and it also adds volume. It is not as clumpy as I expected it to be. Fallback of this mascara is it's quite watery, so if you are like going a bit harsh on your lashes, it might come to your crease and your under eye as well. So you have to take it a bit slow, or else when it comes to the lengthening and the volume aspect of it, this is a really good mascara. You can really see the difference between this eye and this eye. Since we don't have any brow product with us, we'll just adjust with the mascara itself. I'll use this lash and brow comb from the set. So what I'll do is, I'll take this mascara, take a little bit of it on the brow comb. Very skeptical to do more because since it's like a black mascara, there are more chances that if we do a lot, it might come like too thick, which I really want to avoid. So now coming to the lip products, I was really waiting to test out this Mexican red shade. So before that, I'll just swatch this lip gloss. It is in the shade Cameo. It's like a really nude, nude brown shade, very light nude shade. So I'm not much of a gloss person, but when I wore it, I think it kind of smells like peppermint flavor and there is a slight tingling sensation on the lip. So I believe that maybe this lip glaze has something like a plumping effect that is there in most of the lip glosses nowadays. So it's a very nice lip gloss, but mostly for me personally, I would use it as a topper and not on its own because I'm not much of a lip gloss person, but I could use it as a topper with the other shades and it might look really good. But just as a gloss, I believe the shade Cameo is quite pale for my skin. Many more shades, they have like really nice pink, purple shades and all that. So if you're someone who's interested in lip glosses as such, you could try those shades out. So for now, I'll just remove this. I go ahead with the Freara Matte in the shade Mexican Red. So if you're following me on Instagram, I had swatched all this on the day I received the package. So you can go check my Instagram story highlight as well to see how it swatches on the hand. On my lips, how it looks, I'll just show you in a bit. To be very honest, this shade looks slightly different on the camera. In the camera, it looks like a red color, but in real, it kind of has a maroon tint to it. It's much more darker in real. I like how it looks in real, but I'm not really sure if the camera is doing any justice. But the formula is very smooth. It wore on my skin very easily. I don't know, I'm not sure how long lasting it is because I haven't tested it out for more. This is my first time trying it out. But on the lips, it is sitting really well. It doesn't feel dry or heavy, which usually happens with most of the matte lipsticks. It does transfer, so maybe that is something, especially with a shade like red, that you'll have to be careful, but it doesn't transfer so much that you have to be like cautious with it. But overall, I feel I really like the lipstick more than the eye product. Both the lip gloss formulation as well as the matte formulation are like really my favorite. I wasn't a huge fan of the mascara, even though the package looked really good. The fallout from the mascara was tad disappointing, but the eyeliner is a very normal eyeliner. If you're getting anything else from this brand, then you could really try for the eyeliner. But I would really suggest you to get the matte lipstick. It is really nice. It's such a beautiful red shade. So if you're someone who's into red, like dark reds and all that, this is a really good shade. They have more shades as well. I'll try to add in few pictures from their website. So now about the brushes, they have 6 in this set, the 15-piece set. They have like 6 face brushes, which includes 1 buffer brush, 1 contour brush, 2 blush brushes, 1 foundation brush and 1 concealer brush. Coming to the eye brushes, they have 8 eye brushes in which they have 3 eyeshadow brushes, 3 blending brush, there is 1 fan brush, there is 1 pencil brush, and you also get a lash and brow comb with it. So this is a really nice set of brushes that you could purchase if you are someone who just wants to get like a good set and not purchase any more. You are a professional makeup artist or you really want to learn more of makeup, you could check out the other brushes that's of the 32 pieces. I think with that we have come to an end of this video. I really hope you all liked it. But if you're looking forward to getting any of these products, then you can get a 10% discount using my affiliate code Nazla10. I'll leave down the link to all things that I've mentioned in this video below, and if you have any more suggestions on any other brands or any other type of videos that you would like to see, then please do let me know. And I think with that we'll wrap up this video. So if you're there on Instagram, then please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. There are more of content over there. And with that, we have come to an end to this video. So until next time, bye bye.